All right, we are here and Miss Shanna is getting ready for her bird workshop. What are you doing right now, Shanna?
Right now, I'm preparing a fine motor activity where the children take feathers and stick it in the holes of a colander, and they can choose whatever color feathers, and we'll talk about different kinds of feathers. So this is mainly just bringing feathers into your fine motor skills in your classroom.
All right, sounds good. Thank you. We're gonna walk around and look at some of the other stuff she's got out here. Y'all will have to come to one of these one day to figure out what she's doing with some of this. We've got a sensory fine motor table right here. Lee, what have you been doing over here?
We have been bagging clay for some activity that Shanna is going to use to make birds' nests
Okay.
with clay.
Nicely done. And over here we've got a birdhouse and a bucket of binoculars that Angie and I just finished up. And all sorts of cool things over here.